Hey everybody, this is our tag punch board. You have lots of scrap paper that you want to turn into tags. Well, this is the tool to do it. So I'm going to take my paper, I can line it up anywhere I want to here, and there's lines, so I know exactly where to line it up. So depending on the angle that I want to cut out of my tag, we'll go up right up here maybe. I'm going to take my blade, and I'm just going to make sure I get it in there right. There we go, slide it across. And then when I flip it over, there we go.
And you slide this in until you feel it hit.
I have my tag, can put it in here and center it, punch out my hole. But again, this is one size, but I can do any size, I can do different angles, so it's a really quick way to turn your paper into tags. And if you've ever tried to do this with scissors or a paper trimmer, you know it's next to impossible.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Scrap Time videos here on YouTube so you'll be the first to see all our videos from Creativation. And follow us on Instagram at Scrap Time Photos to see photos straight off the show floor.